Welcome to the WorkFirst Career Scope Job Search Program. Today we will be reviewing how to complete your job log, including the top of the log, front and back, how to find the number of required daily hours of participation, recording hours using the quarter-hour increment, job search activities, employer contact information on the front and back of the log, excused absences and holidays, and the final review of the log before submitting it to your coach. Notice there is a front page of your log and a back page. The first thing you want to do on the front page is to complete all the top fields at the top of your log, including your coach's name, the next appointment date, your name, your JAS ID number, hours of participation, and the week beginning date. A week of the WorkFirst activity log starts on Sunday and ends on Saturday. In this example, Susie started job search on Monday, March 23rd, so that is the week beginning date. If Susie had started job search the week before, the week beginning date on this log would have been Sunday, March 22nd. Remember to complete the top portion on the back of your log as well. This is important because when you email your log to your job coach and it is printed out, the pages will become separate. Daily hours of participation. To figure out how many daily hours of participation are required, divide the total weekly hours by 5. For example, Susie needs to do 35 hours of job search per week. 35 divided by 5 equals 7. Therefore, Susie needs to do 7 hours of job search per day. Although job search activities can be recorded on Sunday and Saturday and count towards participation, you are not required to do job search activities on either day. Enter the dates above the day of the week. In this example, we see Sunday started with 3:22 and Saturday ended the week with 3:28. Use the quarter-hour increment to enter hours of participation on your log. How we write those hours is as follows: 1 to 15 minutes, 0.25; 16 to 30 minutes, 0.50; 31 to 45 minutes, 0.75; 46 to 60 minutes, 1.0. In this example, on Tuesday, March 24th, Susie logged 2.25 hours of participation in Internet labor market research. The Activities section lists types of job search activities that count towards participation. Your coach will discuss these with you the next time you meet. You may enter activity details in the Notes section. Anytime you contact an employer, you need to enter the hours of that activity on the Employer Contact Information line on the front of the log and complete the Employer Contact Information section on the back of the log. The total hours for each day must match on the front and back of the log. All fields should be completed on the back of your log, including the date, the business name and address, the job applied for, how the employer was contacted, what happened, and the total time spent. Please total all time spent for the back of your log at the bottom right-hand corner. If your coach has agreed to excuse you for full or partial hours on any given day, be sure to write excused on the column for that date. If there is a state holiday during the week, write holiday on the column for the corresponding date. Your coach can provide you with a list of approved state holidays. Your coach will give you credit up to the total of your required daily hours of participation. For example, if you're expected to complete 7 hours of participation per day, your coach can credit you with 7 hours for excused absences and holidays. If you complete any job search activities during excused absence or holidays, your coach will credit you the balance of the hours. For example, here we see that Susie completed 4.75 hours of job search activities and then wrote excused on the column for 324. Susie's coach then credited her with 2.25 excused hours, making Susie's total participation credit for the day 7 hours. Once you have completed your job search week, be sure to review the front of your log completely and the back of your log. Make sure that you've completed all required areas of the log before submitting it to your coach. It is a good idea to review the log with your coach each time you submit it until you are sure that you are completing your WorkFirst activity log correctly. As a reminder, always complete the top portion of your log on both the front and back. Any employer contacts done whether in person or online must be noted on the front employer contact line of the log and the back of the log. Review your log for accuracy before you submit it to your coach. Thanks for watching. If you have additional questions, your career coach will be happy to assist you. On behalf of CareerScope and your job coach, we wish you a successful job search.